Hi guys! So it's me again, Jackpot of Ficlations. It's been a while since my last video, so I'm trying to post a quick one. Actually, last weekend, I've been crafting with my little Dana. Ang dami namin ginawa, mga boxes, bags, etc. Kagaya nito. Tada! So we used my silhouette cameo to cut out the boxes, and this one she specifically requested na I put a lace and make it a bag. So I was actually so surprised because when we went to the mall, I saw her, she was actually using this. So she put a lot of toys inside that box and used it as her bag in the mall. So I got so touched by the gesture. So parang ang sweet lang, 'di ba? Kaya na-inspire ako to buy more papers, better looking papers. And nandito na isa. So, kung kilala nyo ako, you know that I like pink and teal or pink and green, mga pastel colors. So, of all the papers that are out right now, ito yung pinaka-napusuan ko talaga. Havana by Prima Marketing Incorporated. So, a lot of girls have been purchasing this kasi ginagamit siya for TNs, planner activities, planner stuff, etc. But this one, I actually purchased it to make bags and boxes for my little one. Kaya lang, binuksan ko na siya at nakita ko na yung loob, ayoko na siyang gamitin. So, it's actually funny because prior to me making this video, I was actually reading a post on one of my craft groups about what a hoarder is and how different a hoarder is from a collector. So, proven na guys, I'm actually a hoarder. So, let's see, tingnan natin kung ilan sa mga pages ng paper pad na to yung talagang magagamit ko. Pero, para magkaroon kayo na idea why it's very, very hard for me to use or dispose of this paper, I'll do a quick flip through mamaya. Okay? So, basically, it's A4 size, 30 sheets. There are 6 designs. So, 5 pages, 5 sheets of each design. Tapos, back-to-back pa siya. The good thing is, when my daughter actually saw it, she actually thought na pretty din yung paper. But, she didn't like the idea na double-sided yung paper. Parang hindi daw niya ma-imagine na magandang bag pag double-sided yung print. So, iniisip ko, wag ko na ipakita sa kanya. Kasi baka pag nakita niya, she'd be happier with it and then she'd ask that I make all of my papers na into a bag or box, diba? So, pero still, I think I'm gonna choose at least one design and turn it into bag. Meron akong idea. Yeah, ito. Basta, yan. Syempre, it has to be pink because her favorite color is pink. Okay, so for the quick flip through of the contents or the pages, stay tuned. Ito na. This is part of our video, the flip through of the Havana paper pad, A4 size by Prima. So, I've decided na I'll take the video this way para ma-maximize yung frame and at the same time makita natin yung design close-up, mas malaki. So I'll show you why I like this so much. Tada! See? So, this is the first design and this is the back side. Don't you just think it's so pretty? I think it's so pretty. So, medyo nanghihinayang akong gamitin siya. And then, there are 5 pages of each design. And this is the second design. So, still florals, roses, in pink and white background with butterflies. And this is the flip side. Tada! Green, grunge, texture, and handwriting. Okay, so, and then, onto the third design. So, this one naman, you can cut it out using your punchers or scissors, cutters, and use it to embellish your planners, create smaller items like tags, okay, paperclip bookmarks, and this is the back side. I actually like this. So, parang wood texture, but it's in pink, and again, favorite color. Yeah, so that's the third, and this is the fourth. So, smaller florals in pink background, and this is the flip side. So, the back design is this one. This one you can actually cut out in rectangular format, make mini journaling cards, note cards, etc. or tags. And then this one, the fifth design. Here, so letters, florals in, again, pastel green background. Haven't really tried reading the words, but I see here, this is LOV, love, and this is the back part. Pretty! Green birds and twigs. And for the last design, we have this one. So, mini florals again in green background, and this is the back side of the design. Para siyang peacock feathers, but again, it's in the green and pink theme or motif. Ta-da! So, there you have it. This is our Havana paper pad. So, I'm off to make bags because my baby girl is requesting for one. And hopefully, I'll show them to you later. Okay, good night.